What's up, and welcome back to the Money Cube channel. And today I want to talk to y'all about a very important topic. We're going to talk about a fractional share of stock. And yes, if you didn't already know, on Cash App you can buy a fraction of a share of any stock that is available on Cash App. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go into my portfolio here, and we're going to come down to, let's just say, Apple. All right, now as you can see here, on Friday Apple stock was up 2.71%. On the week it was up 4.3%. All right, so even more importantly than that, let's come down to the key stats, and we're going to look at share price. Right now, you can buy one share of Apple stock for $147.21 as of the closing bell on Friday afternoon. All right, market cap is over 2.4 trillion. So, what does that mean? You know, if you buy one share of Apple stock, you have to have $147.27. However, you can buy as little as $1 worth of that $147.27. It's called a fraction of a share. And now you don't have, it doesn't have to be that little or that small of an amount. You can buy $120 worth, $100 worth, or $10 worth. But I'm gonna show you, because what I want to get across to you is that you can start your journey by what I call practicing $1 trading. All right, so you can start trading in $1 fractions of shares and get your feet wet while we're in this bear market, so that when we come out of this bear market, you're ready to roll and you already know what you're doing, and you have experience trading, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or investing for long-term growth. So let me come up here and show you what you do in Cash App. Again, Cash App investing. Now I'm in Apple. I'm going to hit that buy tab right there. Then I'm going to hit $1. And this is going to put an order in to purchase $1 worth on Monday morning at opening bell. So I'm going to hit that $1 and then hit next. And as you can see, it says tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. That's my time. And it goes over the funding source, order type, which is a market order. A market order is when you're going to buy that, whether it's a share, a full share, or a fraction of a share, at whatever cost, at whatever the stock is costing at that moment. So that's what that stands for. And then you can go down the list there, you know, with your approximate share price, the symbol ticker, and all that stuff. So yeah, Cash App actually gives you quite a bit of good useful information with the individual stocks. And I know a lot of people kind of like some people look at it like, you know, hey, it's not like Robinhood or Webull, but you actually get enough information to make an informed decision on you know, what stock to invest in or not invest in. So you know, it gives you minute by minute performance on what a stock, hold up, let me move, on what a stock is doing. As you can see on Friday, it kind of goes through the motions of what Apple stock did the entire day. And you can also go the entire week, the entire month. It'll show you what it did, you know, through all the ups and downs of that month, and even the year. And it will also go up to the performance all time, all the way back to when it first started trading on the stock exchange. Back to, of course, with Apple, that was December of 1980, before most of you were born. So yeah, again, I'm gonna do that one more time. I'm gonna buy, let's see here, I'm gonna do that one more time just so you know. Let's go Tesla. That's another big blue chip company. I'm gonna buy a fraction of a share, which if you see here, I'm gonna underline it this time. All right, let's look at right here. Tesla is trading right now at $214.44, but I'm gonna buy $1 worth of that $214. So I'm gonna come out of this and or come back to the top. We're gonna hit buy, hit $1. Next, and then it's going to show you the confirmation screen that at opening bell tomorrow I'm purchasing $1 of Tesla. I'm going to schedule that now. Done. Now, another important thing for you to know, if you have any issue with that and you change your mind on it, you can come back. You can actually come back and cancel any order that you placed. So the way you do that, you go back into your account. You actually go into your profile history, and it'll show you what you've done up to that point in your profile history. And you just hit that last tab of whatever you did, and it'll give you the option to cancel whatever order you placed for that day, or even if you scheduled it for tomorrow or whenever, you can cancel that out. All right. So yeah, that's just something I wanted to show you guys. I mean, this is not financial advice. I'm not suggesting you buy, sell, or hold any stock at all. You have to do your own research before doing that. Okay. So hope you found value in this, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to start on your journey of investing. If you have never done it, if you've never if it's an intimidating thing that you've thought about doing and you just kind of have fears of doing it, that is a very easy and very, very low risk way of starting out. That's kind of how I did it. I actually did paper trading. You can do that through Webull if you download the Webull app. So you can do it absolutely free on there. But $1, what's $1? And the Cash App platform is, to me, the most simple to understand. The platform is, the layout is very simple. That's all I have for you guys. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the weekend. I will talk to y'all tomorrow.